Ever tried testing an Angular component and wondered why you need so much setup code? That's where TestBed comes in. TestBed is Angular's primary testing utility that creates an isolated testing module for your components. Think of it as a mini Angular application just for testing. It simulates the Angular runtime environment, allowing you to test components in isolation without spinning up the entire application. This gives you complete control over dependencies and configuration. You start by calling testbed.configure testing module, which works just like a non-module decorator. You declare the components you want to test, import necessary Angular modules like Forms module or HTTP client testing module, and provide any services your component needs. This configuration step sets up the testing environment exactly how you need it, with all the dependencies your component expects. Once configured, you call testbed.createComponent to instantiate your component. This returns a component fixture, which is a wrapper around your component instance. The fixture gives you access to the component instance itself, the native DOM element, and methods to trigger change detection manually. This is how you interact with your component during tests. One of TestBed's most powerful features is dependency mocking. Instead of providing real services, you can inject mock implementations or spies. This isolates your component from external dependencies like HTTP calls or local storage. The component fixture then lets you query DOM elements, trigger events, and verify that your component renders correctly based on its inputs and state. Together, TestBed and ComponentFixture give you everything needed for thorough unit testing. So remember, TestBed is your testing environment factory that configures modules, creates components, and enables isolated unit testing in Angular. Master it, and your tests will be clean and reliable. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.